Hey, thanks for watching this video. This is the third part in a three-part series in which we apply a clear epoxy to the surface of a teak and holly table, in which the end result is a clear and glass-like surface. It is important to note that there are many steps that happen along the way. The first is a thin coat that helps seal the entire surface. After approximately 3 or 4 hours, we add a much thicker pour, almost 1/8 of an inch thick, of material. I was not entirely happy with the results of the first pour, and therefore, after it was cured the next day, I sanded it with a 220 grit sandpaper around the entire surface, also addressing the vertical surfaces and the edges. After that, carefully sanding with 220 grit, and of course a lot of care was taken with the dust removal. Then, what is hopefully the final pour, check around the corners for any drips and making sure the entire surface is coated evenly with epoxy. There is a step in which you use a heat gun, and this will help relieve any small air bubbles that could develop on the surface. I had to change the lighting in the room so I could carefully see the little micro bubbles. And then the last shot is a really nice high gloss surface. This will get a polish and a wax and then off to the client. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your time, and give me a call in your next custom project at perfectyacht.com.